All right, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this window up right here so we can get in there to remove all the mechanical sash hardware that's holding this in. Okay, you just crank it to get it open out there. Then you want to come over here, you'll flip one of these clips up, and then you'll flip this clip up right here. And that will allow those to be pulled in. And then you come out here. Okay, to remove this bracket here, all you have to do is pull this little lever back and then lift it right up off of the two pins. And then that completely unhooks the bottom of the window from the cranking mechanism. You come over to these sides, go ahead and pop that pin off. You make sure you hold on to the sash because it's dropping. You want to lift this up again because it fell down. And then just pop this pin off and there's your sash. Let your sash slide down and then you can just remove it. Simply removes from the opening. We're going to go ahead and repeat the process again for the upper sash. You just crank it out. You pull this little lever right here on the bracket, pull it back, and that unhooks it. Then you just crank that back in out of your way. Flip these up, these little keepers. Pop the arms off of the pins. Keep a hold of that sash while you're doing it. Then go ahead and lower it down. And if you look, there's a gap right here inside this rail. If you see that gap, that's how far you got to lower the sash. You just drop it down till it gets to that point. The sash comes in.